Mr. Welch, thank you very much. We are excited to welcome all of you tonight, and one of the things we do at the beginning of our board meetings, we have two students or three students or several students come to each meeting to lead us in the pledge. And so this evening I'm really excited to welcome a couple of gentlemen that go to Dobbins Bennett EXCEL and ask them to come up and join me, Quintin Bentley and Connor McGlothlin. Quintin and Connor are both, like I say, students at EXCEL, which is a high school program of choice here. Really, it's attached to our building here, and so they go to school with us, and they are here for our pledge tonight. So, Quintin and Connor, want to just thank you for being here. Talk to us a little bit about, you guys are both, I think, involved in the robotics program at Dobbins Bennett, EXCEL. Tell me about kind of where you are, what that is, so the folks that are listening on the radio and the folks that are here with us tonight can learn a little bit more about the robotics program.
Yes, sir. All right, so we are both on the Our Navy's underwater robotics team. There's an organization based out of California called the Marine Advanced Technology Education Organization, or MATE for short. And every year they have a regional competition first, and how many regionals there are? I think there's like 26 regional competitions all around the world, and then there is one international competition which usually holds about, well, actually I think there's 50 regional competitions, and about usually around 20 different countries are represented there. And so we are currently in the process of our build season, so we're working on our ROV or robot, whatever you want to call it, and it's going pretty well.
So what is it that when you are designing your robot and when you're going through this process, what are you trying to get it to do? If you could maybe explain a little bit about what that looks like.
So in the competition, there is a set of simulated missions, like based on where the international competition is going to be. So like 2 years ago, it was actually based here in Kingsport, and it was centered around the Boone Dam. And one of the missions we had to do, for example, there was a piece of corrugated plastic hanging off of the side of the pool, and we had to inspect it for cracks and damages, just like the Boone Dam.
Okay, very good. So you're designing a robot that is actually in a body of water, moving around, creating different tasks. How long does it take to do that? What does that process look like to do the design, and how do you know how to do it?
Well, a lot of it is just learning things as we go.
Trial and error?
Yeah, a little trial and error, that's what I was trying to say.
Okay.
So, when we get in the pool for each competition, we have 15 minutes to complete all the different tasks that they set for us.
So where's your competition this year? Where are y'all heading?
Long Beach, California.
Okay. So Long Beach, California. So a lot of work that goes into that. Exactly. Rough place to go here.